Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a memory upgrade solution specifically designed for workstations and servers. The OWC 128GB DDR3 ECC registered memory kit. This isn't your everyday RAM. It's built for the heavy lifting of server environments. This kit arrives as a set of 8 16GB DDR3 1333 MHz PC 3-10600 cell 9 ECC registered DMM modules. Right off the bat, it's crucial to understand that this memory is ECC registered, meaning it's intended for servers and workstations, not your standard desktop PC. Attempting to use it in a regular desktop will result in incompatibility, and it absolutely cannot be mixed with unbuffered memory. The primary purpose of ECC register memory is to provide enhanced data integrity. The ECC stands for Error Correcting Code, which means the memory can detect and correct common types of internal data corruption. This is paramount in server environments where data accuracy is critical for stability and reliability. OWC has designed this kit to be fully compliant with JEDEC standards and RoHS compliant, ensuring it meets industry standards for performance and environmental responsibility. It's also a warranty-safe upgrade, meaning it shouldn't void your existing server or workstation warranty, which is always a plus. The modules operate at 1.5V, which is standard for DDR3, and the CL9 latency is typical for this generation of memory. While faster memory with lower latency exists, this kit prioritizes stability and capacity, which are often more important in server applications. Installing 128 GB of RAM can significantly boost the performance of your server or workstation, especially if you're running memory-intensive applications like virtualization, databases, or scientific simulations. It allows you to handle larger data sets, run more virtual machines concurrently, and experience smoother overall performance. One of the key benefits of choosing OWC is their commitment to quality and compatibility. They design and test their memory to meet or exceed OEM specifications, ensuring a seamless integration with compatible systems. This can save you headaches down the road, as compatibility issues can be a major pain when dealing with server hardware. If you're looking to extend the life of your existing server infrastructure or building a new server on a budget, the OWC 128GB DDR3 ECC register memory kit is definitely worth considering. It provides a substantial capacity upgrade with the added benefit of ECC error correction, enhancing the reliability and stability of your system. Just be sure to double-check your server or workstation's compatibility before purchasing to avoid any issues.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.